From what institutions were Jews excluded as part of Nazi policy? A. Universities. B. Vocational schools. C. Primary schools. D. Military academies. The correct answer is A. Universities. The text states that the divine theory of kingship was practiced by the rulers of which dynasty? A. Chola. B. Gupta. C. Pallav. D. Mauryan. The correct answer is B. Gupta. Who was the ruler during Athens' peak civilization? A. Caesar. B. Pericles. C. Alexander. D. Darius. The correct answer is B. Pericles. Where did the Turks attempt to attack but were repulsed? A. Gallipoli. B. Palestine. C. Mesopotamia. D. Suez Canal. The correct answer is D. Suez Canal. What two cities added importance to the availability of raw materials and markets for Jainism? A. Kausambi and Kashi. B. Shravasti and Kundagrama. C. Vaishali and Rajagriha. D. Lumbini and Bodh Gaya. The correct answer is C. Vaishali and Rajagriha. What was the founder of the Vardhana dynasty? A. Samudragupt. B. Pushyabhuti. C. Chandragupt. D. Harshavardhana. The correct answer is B. Pushyabhuti. Which Chinese traveler mentioned the presence of a large number of Buddhists and Jains during his visit to the Pallav country? A. Xuanzang. B. Huenzang. C. Faxian. D. Yijing. The correct answer is B. Huenzang. In what year did the Portuguese arrive on the west coast of India? A. 1316. Born in 1296. Circa 1400. D. 1498. The correct answer is D. 1498. What happened to the soldiers who opposed the new turban? A. They were rewarded by the English. B. They were sent back to Mysore. C. They were severely punished by the English. D. They were released from service. The correct answer is C. They were severely punished by the English. What was the role of Rama Raya after Sadashiv Raya attained the age for becoming king? A. He became the official king. B. He continued as a de facto ruler. C. He retired from his position. D. He became a military advisor. The correct answer is B. He continued as a de facto ruler. What did national rivalry lead to frequent clashes between great powers in Asia, Africa, and Europe? A. Frequent clashes. B. Cultural exchange. C. Economic cooperation. D. Diplomatic negotiations. The correct answer is A. Frequent clashes. What did England become known as during this period? A. The world leader of feudalism. B. The world leader of capitalism. C. The world leader of socialism. D. The world leader of communism. The correct answer is B. The world leader of capitalism. What specific issue did the Dravidian Home aim to address for non-Brahman students? A. Lack of financial aid. B. Lack of qualified teachers. C. Lack of hostels. D. Lack of study materials. The correct answer is C. Lack of hostels. Who had established a close relationship with the three agents of Chanda Sahib? A. Pulithevar. B. Umaithurai. C. Kattabomman. D. Velanachiyar. The correct answer is A. Pulithevar. Which inscription describes the victories of Pulkesin II? A. Sanchi. B. Junagadh. C. Sarnath. D. Aihole. The correct answer is D. Aihole. Where were houses built in relation to the street? A. Set back from the street. B. Only on one side of the street. C. On both sides of the street. D. In the center of the street. The correct answer is C. On both sides of the street. Where did Bajirao centralize the fiscal functions? A. Mumbai. B. Satara. C. Delhi. D. Pune. The correct answer is D. Pune. Who were interned in camps set up by the British? A. Boer women and children. B. British loyalists. C. African native populations. D. Boer soldiers. The correct answer is A. Boer women and children. Who was the last ruler of the Vijaya line of Chola dynasty? A. Rajadhiraja. B. Veerarajendra. C. Rajaraja II. D. Athirajendra. The correct answer is D. Athirajendra. Skandagupta is matched with which option? A. Astronomy. B. Mihirakula. C. Nalanda University. D. Sartwaga. The correct answer is B. Mihirakula. Which group's suffering was highlighted in the play Nildarpan? A. Coal miners. B. Salt producers. C. Indigo cultivators. D. Textile workers. The correct answer is C. Indigo cultivators. Which term describes someone or something from the same time period? A. Metallurgical. B. Contemporary. C. Historical. D. Mythological. The correct answer is B. Contemporary. What area did Akbar's victory over Bengal facilitate access to? A. Central Asia and Siberia. B. North Africa and Europe. C. South America and Australia. D. Southeast Asia and China. The correct answer is D. Southeast Asia and China. What was the staff selection board established for? A. To manage land revenue. B. To select government officials. C. To regulate trade. D. To oversee agricultural production. The correct answer is B. To select government officials. What did Timur take along with him from India, besides silver and jewels? A. Warriors and scribes. B. Spices and textiles. C. Books and manuscripts. D. Indian artisans like carpenters and masons. The correct answer is D. Indian artisans like carpenters and masons. Tansen is matched with which location in the provided text? A. Court of Akbar. B. Kottam. C. Goa. D. Bengal. The correct answer is B. Kottam. What was the term for the entire kingdom? A. Kuram. B. Mandalam. C. Arswai. D. Nadu. The correct answer is B. Mandalam. Where did the German missionary Bartholomäus Zeigenbalg start first school in Tamil Nadu? A. Tiruchirappalli. B. Tranquebar. C. Tirunelveli. D. Tanjavur. The correct answer is B. Tranquebar. From which country did Buddhist art and techniques spread to Korea and Japan? A. India. B. Rome. C. China. D. Persia. The correct answer is C. China. Besides the Bahmani Sultanate, with which religious-based kingdoms were the rulers of Vijayanagar at war? A. Chola and Pandya. B. Mysore and Travancore. C. Chera and Pallav. D. Kondavidu and Orissa. The correct answer is D. Kondavidu and Orissa. How did you score?